We've been married for almost 3 years. Everyone is asking, what? Where's the baby? So the husband said, honey, you make dinner tonight. We'll come home. We'll talk about it. So he came home. She had a nice dinner, just the two of them in their nice apartment, had candlelight. And then they talk about how wonderful it is to have a baby. Oh, so-and-so got married 2 years. James has got a baby. Matilda's got a baby. Wow. And they thought how nice it would be. At 10 o'clock, the husband told the wife, honey, it's 10 o'clock. We got to go to sleep. We'll talk tomorrow. The next day, they talk about if it's a boy, what name to give. If it's a girl, what name to give. Talk, 10 o'clock, oh, we got to sleep. We'll talk tomorrow. The next day, they talk, if it's a boy, if it's a girl, what school do they go to? What games do they play? What sports do they play? What blah, 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 blah. They talk. 10 o'clock, oh, we got to sleep. 9 months later, still no baby. Why? Because they only talk. They never do. You see, everything for you to be successful, there are many things that you have to do. You just got to do. Now, in this business, what do you have to do? Now, you talk to every successful person in the business. You compress everything that you've learned. You learn how to sell, you know how to prosper, everything. You come to one thing. And what is that one thing? It's called the guaranteed plan. 15 appointments a week. Every successful person in a business has told you, if you can do 15 presentations a week, no matter how, your success is guaranteed. 15. So the guy told me, Robert, you don't understand. 15 is not easy. I said, okay, fine. Can you do 14? If you cannot do 14, can you do 13? But if you were to do just 1 or 2 or 3 appointments a week, I cannot guarantee success for you. And I'm telling you, you won't be successful. If you do 15 a week, whether you're a new advisor or you're a senior advisor, if you're a new advisor, 15 appointments a week, very soon you will learn how to be a super salesperson. You will be able to handle any objection. You will learn very fast. If you're already an MDRT agent and you're still doing 15 appointments a week, I guarantee you'll be doing top of the table, and soon top of the table. 15 appointments a week. That's the secret. So if you want to work a 5-day week, you make sure 15 appointments in the 5 days. You can work a 4-day week, make sure you have 15 appointments in the 4 days. Get it done. Get it done. Now, is there one of you here who does not have an appointment? Okay, never mind. This doesn't apply. Tomorrow you still have Congress. Okay, never mind. But it's 15 appointments a week. That's all. What else you do with your time, I really don't care. But if you can do 15 appointments a week, you're going to make it. In between the appointments, when you have nothing to do, what do? When a woodcutter is not cutting trees, what does he do? He sharpens his knife. When you're not selling, you study. Learn the business. Study. Learn how to sell. Don't tell me you got no teachers. Everyone today, we have a smartphone. With a smartphone, you are attached to the internet. Google. You got YouTube. There are thousands and thousands of short videos loaded onto YouTube. Everything that you want. Just punch in how to sell, how to motivate, how to anything. It's all there. Nobody is stupid today. Okay? Everyone